how to plant a tree in Hytale. So all you're gonna have to do is to open Farmer's Workbench, and here's the section at the top, saplings. So open saplings, and here is the beech sapling from tier 1. If you want another saplings, you can upgrade the tier of your Farmer's Workbench. This one is from tier 3, so I'm gonna upgrade it to the tier 3. And now you have to craft that sapling. You will need the essence of life, and essence of life you can get from farming. So I'm gonna grab these tomatoes and I will get some essence of life. So go to your Farmer's Workbench, craft some saplings, and now you can plant your sapling. So this is the little tree. Make sure to make a distance, and this is how you can plant a tree. Now I'm gonna speed up the time, and they grew pretty fast, but this is the final phase of growing the tree. But in the meantime it will be much thinner, so don't cut it before it's in this final stage. Then you can just cut it and repeat the process, make the sapling in Farmer's Workbench. So this was how you can plant a tree in Hytale. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, and see you next time.